this video, I'm going to show you how to import Photon private key to Phantom wallet. So the first thing you're going to need is a Photon account, and in case you don't have one yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. You can check that out, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now from here, what you want to do when you're logged into Photon, you want to click at the very top right where there's your profile icon, and then you want to click on Wallet Management. Now over here, as you can see, I have one wallet, which is the first wallet that you automatically get created once you sign up to Photon. And in case you do not have your private key for this Photon wallet and you forgot it, lost it, or something like this, what you're gonna have to do is generate a new wallet. And you can do this by clicking over here, generate wallet, and then you wanna click over here where it says generate to obtain your Photon trading wallet and private key. So just click generate, and then you will have to click and drag to the right to reveal the private key. Now once you do this, you'll be able to see your private key over here, and then you will simply have to copy that. Now I'm not going to reveal it because that is personal and you should never share it with anyone, but still, once you see it, you will have to copy it. Now once you copy that key, what you want to do is open up the Photon extension or Photon on your phone. Phantom, excuse me. And you want to simply click on it. The easiest way is over here via the extension. And then you want to click on your account at the very top left and click on this plus icon and then click import private key. In here, you make sure it says Solana over here, and then under name, you want to give it a name. So we're just going to do a Photon wallet. There we go. And then you want to paste in your private key and click import. So the private key you copied from over here, you want to paste it in here, click import, and your wallet will successfully be imported. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.